In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Perplexity AI for academic research. By following these steps, you will be able to gather and analyze information related to your research topic with greater efficiency. Begin by defining your research focus. In the Perplexity AI interface, input your question in the search bar. For example, you might ask, what are the key trends and recent findings in the effects of social media on mental health? This question will help you gain a comprehensive understanding of the current landscape regarding your topic. Next, you will need to find relevant studies. Enter a new question in the search bar, such as list peer-reviewed studies from 2020-26 on social media and mental health with brief descriptions. The AI will generate a list of studies providing you with summaries that highlight the main aspects of each work. Make sure to review these descriptions to select the most pertinent studies for your research. After identifying relevant studies, the next step is to summarize each one for clarity. Ask the AI, summarize the methodology, key findings, and limitations of each study. This will allow you to distill the essential components of each study, making it easier to reference them in your own work. Take note of the unique methodologies used and any limitations that may affect the findings. Once you have summarized the studies, you can proceed to compare and analyze the information. Inquire with the AI, compare these studies and identify agreements, contradictions, and trends. This analysis will help you understand how the studies relate to one another, revealing patterns or discrepancies in the findings. Pay attention to the overall trends that emerge from this comparison. Following your analysis, it is important to identify research gaps. Ask the AI what areas are underexplored or missing in current research on social media's effects on mental health. This will highlight potential avenues for further investigation, ensuring that your research contributes something new to the academic community. Finally, draft your research outline by asking, create a structured academic research outline based on these findings. The AI will provide you with a framework that organizes your research into a coherent structure, facilitating a logical flow in your writing. Make sure to review the outline and adjust it as necessary to fit your specific research goals. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.